Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this simple low poly cartoon cat. I'm going to model it and then I'm going to texture it and then I'm going to render it in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, so that's it. So here is our final render of a cartoon cat model texture and render in Blender. So this was the image I was using and this is our model. This was the image and this is our model. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.